Hello there, I am again in front of you with a new topic, that is why the regulator IC gets heated after operation of 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It gets heated. Why it happens? We will see in today's video, and I'm sharing an experience with you that just before few months ago I made a automatic sanitizer dispenser in which I used a power supply of approximately 24 volts. I thought, yeah, 24 volts adapter, and I also used a 5 LM7805 regulator IC, and the problem was that it worked for up to 5 to 10 minutes. That's an automatic sanitizer dispenser, but after 5 minutes it automatically turns off. So what the problem was, I found it, and I also searched about the problem, and you will see in today's video. Get subscribed and like. It stopped working because it overheats due to the greater difference of voltage between input and output. For example, if we assume that the input power is 24 volt and output required voltage is 5 volt, then what will happen? The difference is 19 volts. So this 19 volt creates a lot of heat on the device. So we will require heat sinks, fans, and forced air fans are required. To overcome this problem, you can use 2 or 3 regulator ICs for stepping the voltage down. Like, you can convert the 24 volt into 18 volts, then 18 volt to 12 volts, and so on. You can convert it into 5 volts, and it will not heat your device and work for so long.